The new BMW X pioneering a new era. Born from a vision. Designed for electric mobility. Thanks to the efficient BMW eDrive technology and the all-electric all-wheel drive system, the new BMW X, which has an extraordinary range, promises impressive acceleration from the first moment it moves. The intelligent BMW operating system 8 can be operated completely intuitively. 630 km with new BMW iX with a range of 630 km. New BMW X xdrive 40 to 425 km is ideal for both city driving and long distances. Thanks to its highly efficient structure, the vehicle has an exceptionally low energy consumption not exceeding 23 kW per hour and excellent aerodynamic properties with a friction coefficient of 0.25, which is unrivaled in its segment. The new BMW X with 523 horsepower. With two powerful electric motors and the BMW xDrive electric four-wheel drive system, the new BMW X offers exceptional electric driving performance. 523 horsepower accelerates the new BMW X xDrive 50 from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.6 seconds. Immediate torque and continuous acceleration allow the BMW X to respond sensitively and spontaneously to every movement of the accelerator pedal, providing a confident driving experience. 150 km range in less than 10 minutes. Thanks to a charging capacity of up to 200 kW up to 150 kW for the new BMW X xDrive 40, you can charge your new BMW X from 10% to 80% charge in less than 40 minutes at fast charging stations outside the home. At home, using your practical BMW wallbox, you can charge your new BMW X xDrive 50 up to 11 kW and reach 100% battery charge in less than 11 hours, less than 8 hours for the new BMW X xDrive 40. The driving assistant of the new BMW X. The new BMW X features an extremely wide range of driver assistance systems as standard. Professional Driving Assistant provides optimum comfort and safety in critical driving conditions or in congested traffic. Among the features included in the system are Steering and Lane Guidance Assistant with advanced functions, Emergency Steering Assistant and Lane Keeping Assistant with active side collision protection. Parking Assistant Plus, which uses multiple cameras so that you can see the objects around your vehicle in 3D, helps to maneuver and park the vehicle. A new design approach with BMW X. Its large area surfaces and characteristic lines give the new BMW X a completely unique look. All the details are in perfect harmony with the modern design language, giving the vehicle an appearance that creates the effect of being out of the mold. The aerodynamically highly efficient exterior design, combined with features such as the tapered, streamflow glass configuration, result in an extraordinary coefficient of friction of 0.25. Recessed door handles and frameless doors, used for the first time in a BMW Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam model, are the pioneering spirit of the vehicle. It shows at first glance. BMW X Shy Tech concept. Putting the passengers in the focus, The Shy Tech concept ensures that